Is your iPhone charging pretty much slow than as usual? Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide video I'll walk you through 3 different easy troubleshooting guide that will actually fix and boost your iPhone charging speed. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video guys. Well, so before I start the video, make sure you are using the authentic charger that Apple recommend, and also you just need to check out your adapter and cable. Make sure it's not faulty, because sometimes this can prevent your iPhone to charge faster than before. And also you can try charging your iPhone with a different charger if you have one. And after following all these steps, if you find that your iPhone is still charging slow, then follow the next process. Open up the settings app from your device and then scroll down, tap on battery, and then tap on battery health and charging, and from here make sure you have enabled the optimized battery charging and also clean energy charging. This will actually boost your iPhone charging speed. Now once you're done, just get back from here and charge your iPhone and see if that fixes your problem or not. If you still have the problem, then all you can do, you can take a soft brush and clean the charging port of your iPhone, because sometimes the dust and debris can make this happen to prevent your iPhone to charge faster. But after doing this process, if you find that you're still having the problem, then force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. And once your iPhone take a restart, and once you get back, most likely the problem is going to be solved. If none of these steps work, then here's the last process that you guys can follow. Open up the settings application from your device and then scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your iPhone to the latest iOS in order to fix any bugs or glitch that you have with the iOS version. Or if you don't find an update, just get back from here and then scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, and tap reset all settings, and put your iPhone passcode. Tap reset all settings, but make sure this will reset all of your settings and it will get back to the default. And once you do that, most likely your problem is going to be solved and your iPhone will start charging faster than before. Hope you find this very helpful guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.